anthropomorphic parameters of the eye which may influence on the position of the eyeball after the surgery. Then to determine the mathematical dependence between these parameters for calculating the amount of strengthening surgery in order to reach an effective orthotropia. And then to develop a program of computer-based modeling of surgical intervention based on mathematical dependence on changing the position of the eyeball after the surgery. As a result, we have identified 4 main anthropomorphic parameters that significantly influence on the results of surgery. The first one is the objective angle of deviation. This value is certainly considered in all methods of strabismus surgery dosage. So our goal was to move the point of the pupil's projection on the horizontal equator of the eye from a deviating position from the fixation axis to the fixation axis. The second anthropomorphic parameter was the axial length. So the greater the axial length, the larger the arc described by each point on a circumference of the eyeball when rotating it by the same angle. Thus, the distance traveled by the points on the imaginary circumference of the eyeball is different depending on the length of the eyeball. The larger the length, the greater the mentioned distance. The next parameter was refraction and accommodative convergence. The value of accommodative convergence depends on refraction. The greater the hyperopia, the larger the value of accommodative convergence, and the latter significantly influences on the position of the eyeball and is important in providing a bifixation of the object. And the last anthropomorphic parameters that we have identified was the intrapupillary distance, which is also important in providing a bifixation. The residual post-operative deviation angle differs by only 5 degrees from the residual angle calculated by our method. Here are some particular cases of the effectiveness of our methodology. And in conclusion, we have established 4 statistically significant anthropomorphic parameters determining tropia when conducting a surgery on horizontal oculomotor muscles. This maximally objective angle of deviation, the axial length, refraction, and interpupillary distance. We have derived a mathematical formula which incorporates the biomechanical interdependence of these parameters. Based on this formula, we have developed a computer model that allows to determine the number of stages and dosing values of the surgery for each particular patient. And the system that we offer allows not only to significantly improve the effectiveness of surgery, but moreover to predict the definite number of stages of the surgery and to achieve high cosmetic and functional results. Thank you for your attention.